guys, so basically this is the drink which I make over the last 3 days ago, and I want to say to you, it got garlic, ginger and turmeric inside of it. Alright, this is a fresh one I've been using. Every ingredient is fresh. Anyway, as I mentioned before, this is for the man them, you know what I mean, and cleanse your body and detox your body, but I'm not going to explain more details about it. But if you want to get some more information about this drink, please Google the benefit for ginger and garlic. Hold on guys, can I say something to you? I never seen it like this, because the cup of garlic is like to start grow. You want to grow inside of you, and I got some turmeric inside of it. Alright, the fresh one. So anyway, I'm gonna be drinking it to show you. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is for the Mandem drink. Alright, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. New recipes and ideas. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Remember 3 days ago I made the drink, and I say to you, this is for the man them. Alright, and I said the ladies them can drink it, but it's mostly for a man drink. But this not like I'm making up like a strong juice or anything. It's just a drink for man to cleanse out your body. Alright, cleanse out your immune system and all them things there. Here it is in my hand today. I have the 2 bottles still, and I say to you, you can drink one in the morning and one the next morning, or at night before you go to your bed, or when you finish eat at 7 o'clock at night, you drink one, because this is a miracle drink for the man then. Alright, now as I said before, I will be drinking it to show you exactly what's going on. It's amazing, and not only that, it's fresh and relaxing and nice. Yeah, anyway, this recipe is coming from a Rasta man in Jamaica. Big up the Rasta man emailed me the recipe and said, yo Chef Ricardo, I've been watching a YouTube channel for many years now, and we have a juice for you, and you have to put this by your YouTube channel. So I say, okay. I drink it. I tried a couple of days, a couple of weeks ago. And when I try, I said, you know what, I'm gonna have to share this with the fans. Yeah. Yeah. And as I said, you get 2 bottles of water. 2 bottles of water or 1 bottle. Get 2 cloves of garlic, piece of fresh ginger, and piece of fresh turmeric. Alright, turmeric is like that thing we look like curry, where we normally use in our cooking. Alright, and you just put it straight in the bottle. Once you put it straight in the bottle, you leave it for 3 days, and then you start to do this. It's so fresh and nice and relaxing, and it detox your body and cleanse your immune system, guys. And garlic is good for you. Do not eat the stuff them inside. It's just to drink the liquid. Nice. Okay, ladies, do you want me to find one for the ladies? Also leave your comments in the description box. So this, you don't need to drink this, you don't need to eat this, my man. Alright, chuck this in the bin. Alright guys, now I have a next one. I'm gonna drink this one tomorrow morning when I wake up, you know what I mean, or in the evening after I eat my dinner. I have that one. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Leave your comments in the description box, and as I said, this is for the man them. Alright? Yeah. It's a very good drink. It cleans the body and detox the body. Alright? Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more ideas and recipe. Alright? Thank you for watching. subscribe and go over to the website chefricardo.co.uk, and also stay tuned.